And Prime Minister Narendra Modi has issued a fresh warning to Pakistan. 3 weeks after Operation Sindoor, he has asserted that the war of terror is neither over nor has it come to a halt yet.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में भारत की जो ताकत दुश्मन ने देखी है, लेकिन दुश्मन समझ लें ये तो हमारे तर्कस का केवल एक ही तीर है। आतंकवाद के खिलाफ भारत की लड़ाई न रुकी है न थमी है।
India's BrahMos supersonic cruise missile system is back in the spotlight. The unstoppable supersonic missile changing in the face of modern warfare. PM Modi says the operation showcased the might of India's homegrown defense systems like the BrahMos missile. PM Modi pointed out that BrahMos missiles give sleepless nights to the enemy during armed response.
हमारे भारतीय हथियारों ने, ब्रह्मोस मिसाइल ने दुश्मन के घर में घुसकर तबाही मचाई। जहां टारगेट तय किया वहां धमाके किए। ये ताकत हमें आत्मनिर्भर भारत के संकल्प से मिली है।
PM Modi's comment comes a day after his Pakistani counterpart Shehbaz Sharif made a public admission. He said that Pakistani army was caught unaware of the intervening night of May 9th and 10th when India launched BrahMos missile to strike key military bases, including the airport in Rawalpindi.
Pakistan armed forces, led very ably by our Field Marshal, Chief Army Staff sitting here, Syed Asim Munir, to teach a lesson to our enemy. But before that hour reached, India again launched missile attacks, BrahMos, and hit Pakistan's various provinces, including airport in Rawalpindi and other places.
The BrahMos is a supersonic cruise missile that flies at 3 times the speed of sound and can strike targets 400 kilometers away. It is developed by BrahMos Aerospace, a joint venture between India and Russia. Now, India's fastest cruise missile system, known for its pinpoint accuracy, operates on the fire and forget principle, enabling autonomous targeting after launch. Now, with its low radar cross-section and low trajectory, BrahMos is difficult to detect and intercept. It minimizes response time and detection by flying at Mach 3 with initial range of 290 kilometers. Newer versions can reach over 500 kilometers. Well, Pakistan's failure to intercept incoming BrahMos missile despite layered Chinese air defense systems has raised serious questions about Islamabad's ability to counter India's growing missile arsenal. India is now moving swiftly to expand the BrahMos universe. The production of an extended range version of a BrahMos missile with an 800-kilometer strike envelope is underway. India plans to test a submarine-launched variant soon. A miniaturized lighter BrahMos for Rafale and other fighter types is also under development. A hypersonic BrahMos is also in the works, taking speed and survivability to the next level. Moreover, India has also delivered the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile to the Philippines.